Staying motivated, avoiding burnout, and leveling up. Being a cyber friend can be incredibly rewarding, but just like any meaningful work, it also requires balance. In this final lesson, let's talk about how to stay motivated, avoid burnout, and keep growing over time. Know your limits. You don't need to be available 24/7 to succeed. The key is knowing your limits and honoring them. Set a schedule that works for you. Don't stack back-to-back calls all day. Allow time for breaks, meals, and mental rest. Recognize the signs of burnout. Pay attention to how you feel before and after calls. Feeling drained or irritated? You might need to slow down. Having trouble focusing or staying present? Time to rest. Emotionally exhausted? Take a short break, even a day off. Stay inspired. When your energy is high, your conversations are better, and so are your results. Connect with topics you enjoy. Celebrate small wins like a great call or a returning client. Remind yourself why you started. You're making a real difference in people's lives. That's something to be proud of. Keep growing. Want to level up over time? Keep learning and improving. Explore new conversation styles or niche topics. Reflect on what's working and what's not. Continue updating your profile as your skills and confidence grow. You've completed the course and you're ready. Remember, success on Rent a Cyber Friend isn't about doing more. It's about doing what feels right for you consistently and with heart. Take care of yourself, keep connecting, and keep growing.